Huh? Oh, look at her. So you definitely see they take their fashion concepts from like Egypt and Morocco. Look at this. Lately I've been stressing, basically going through depression. My energy down like the sun going down at 7. You got some money? Whole lot of money. From the Black Sea to the Mediterranean to the Aegean or Aegean, you know what I'm saying, sea to the Red Sea to the Arabian Sea to the Persian Gulf, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my people in Southeast Asia, you know what I'm saying? West Asia and Central Asia, you know what I'm saying? But today, you're watching Munchistan TV, you know what I'm saying? And today we're going to be reacting to the beautiful Kurdish singer by the name of Dina. Hey, you know what I'm saying? So the song's called Lank Lank or Lank Lank. It's probably Lank Lank. Lanky Lank. I don't know. Swanky Swank. What you think? Let me know what you think. Let me stop. But I love this the shot right here. So those are Kurdish rugs up there. I see yellow ones, white ones, lime green ones. I don't know what color that is. Turquoise, yellow, mint green, minty green. And then we got a mixed color one down there. And then we got a bunch of pink, different ones. Different pink and black, pink and green, pink on pink, pink and black and yellow, pink and blue, pink and turquoise, pink and white. Yeah, all that good stuff. But anyway, let's get into this video, you know what I'm saying? BZ, Kurdistan. This is on Halkawt Zaher YouTube channel. Shout out to them. I love that outfit. Hey, I love that dress on that little girl. Look at that black sparkly dress. Nice. Oh, look at that. Hey, gang, get down, gangin' with the gang. Hey. Lank. Okay. Knock on. Okay. What year is that TV from, y'all? Let me know. That's an old-fashioned TV, you know what I'm saying? And let me know the brand of the TV. Just let me know all the specs, all the cool concepts, you know what I'm saying? But so she is in the shop, basically. And she's basically running the store. She just had a kid, it looks like. She got a blonde-haired kid, you know what I'm saying? Little girl. And so far, so good. I love the melody, and I love her outfits, like every last one of them, especially that white outfit that she started off with when she's sitting down. Very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I like this outfit too, though. The black and pink. I don't know what that's. Where is that she holding, y'all? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, she churning something. You know, I would never thought the day I would ever see a Kurd curding something. All the pun was intended right there. You know, most people say no pun intended. Pun was definitely intended there. She's in there churning. I don't know what she's churning, but y'all can let me know in the comment section. And the concept of curd is like curd, like to curd it up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she's making, she's about to make something. She's about to make like lunch or dinner or something, or breakfast. Or maybe prepare for like a special occasion, or yeah, something like that. Look, she got the little girl got her hands on her hips like that. So inspired. I gotta leave. Gang, 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 gang. You now ganging with the gang. Hey, 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 hey. Said it cool about me. Sing it, mama. Habiba. Oh, that was sexy. I can't say, okay, you know what? We're not going to say that. Yeah, but it was, what is that, pig? And it was like swinging on the damn pig. They food, they dinner. They're soon to be dinner, or do they sell it? Do they actually sell it? I don't know. But this is so cute. Look at this, y'all. That's adorable. I like that. That little girl is, you see, she I just love the facial expressions. It's the facial expressions for me. And she like, lali, lali. Oh, what? Oh, she has another baby. Oh, I thought that was her and she grew up. Gang, 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 gang. You now ganging with the gang. Hey, 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 hey. I love her voice. I love this melody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I said, I don't know what the fuck I said, but I did not say video. I see you guys. You watching Munchies on TV. Peace. We got one question for y'all. Do y'all got the munchies, huh? Do you got the munchies, huh?